Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove this A-pillar on a 2017 Honda Pilot. First, take a tiny flathead and you're going to very carefully, you're going to want to pry out on this cap that says side curtain airbag. Just get it behind there and pry it out. And then there is a bolt holding the molding on, and you need to use a 8mm socket to take it out. And then just squeeze on the molding a little bit and pull it towards you, and then slip your fingers in behind it and then just pull out. And then once it pops out like this, just pull it directly back towards you. And then here at the bottom is a wire plug for the speaker. Just push on this small tab and pull out on it. And that's it. And then just to install, just do it in reverse order. Thanks for watching.